So I got myself a new breadboard, a Diameco Value Pro, which was recommended by the InterlinkKnight YouTube channel, and I want to test the contact resistance. Start by placing both of my micrograbbers on the same pin and drilling out my meter. And as you can see, 0.3 ohms on the first row here, 0.2 on the random pair of pins. This one is slightly better, actually significantly better, but still horrible. Okay, that one's better. Still terrible, but not as horrible as I expected. This Wish breadboard is a lot worse. Actually, this one is terrible as well. And we'll move on to the Wish. This is a Chinese knockoff of the Wish. It has a little Chinese symbol instead of the W. This one is supposedly Wish, but it doesn't have the W logo on it, so I'm not sure. This is horrible. 3 ohms. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. This one is worse than the Chinese one. Oh, I can. Okay, there we go. And it's still terrible. Absolutely terrible. Now the Diameco Value Pro. Push a pin back in. Second. Okay. Significantly better. Easily an order of magnitude better. So in conclusion, I cannot recommend Chinese breadboards, I cannot recommend Wish, but I can recommend the Diameco Value Pro.